Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist. Are you one of those people that you love fried chicken and fried wings and things like that, but you don't like to eat unhealthy? Well, watch today as I show you how to make a healthier version of chicken wings in the air fryer. Let's do it. I've rinsed my chicken wings well. Now I'm going to spray them with a light coat of olive oil cooking spray. And I'm going to put my seasoning on them, which is a mixture of salt, pepper, and paprika. We're going to open up our air fryer, place them inside, upside down so I can season the other side. We'll spray them a little bit and season the other side. Now we're going to put them in the air fryer. I'm turning the air fryer on 400 degrees. And I've set the timer for 12 minutes. Now we're going to let it do its thing. It's been cooking for 6 minutes, so let's check it out. Ooh, can you hear that sizzle? Look at those wings. We're going to flip them over. We're going to put them back in and let them finish cooking. Our timer has gone off on the chicken, so let's look at it now. I just tested them with a thermometer and they're not quite as done as I'd like them to be, so we're going to put them in and let them go about 3 more minutes. Our chicken wings are done. 15 minutes in the air fryer and you have these amazing crispy chicken wings. All right, we're gonna let these bad boys cool down a little bit and come back for a taste test. I've got some Sonny's sweet barbecue sauce and my homemade buffalo sauce, so let's give this a try. We'll start with the Sonny's. Ooh, that is so good. Yum. On this side of it, let's try my homemade buffalo sauce. Wow. However you choose to eat your wings, you can eat them just as they are, which is amazing, or you can dip them in any kind of sauce you like. This is so easy and simple to make. A great snack, a wonderful dinner with some veggies and a side salad, and you've got a quick dinner in 15 minutes. You can't beat that. I would love to know, what sauce do you recommend to dip your wings in? Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. Please consider hitting that like button, and if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.